I have everything you need when it comes to spring fashion trends. High-end looks for less. All of these beautiful pieces are from Amazon, something from every category. Let's dive in. Everything will be linked in that description box below. I recommend that you click the master list because it's going to take you to everything when it comes to spring fashion. I'll also pin this in the comments section, and if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen. Starting off in the jacket category. This utilitarian style coat is hotter than ever. It also gives trench coat vibes, cropped trench coat. I love that you can zip it all the way up so you get that funnel neck, which is also very popular. I love that. Super chic. It has the cinch waist down here so you can tie it and cinch it, or you could leave it totally open and loose. I love this jacket because it's going to pair with so many different things. It's nice and lightweight. It looks super chic, very comfortable, does everything that you need. This also would be excellent for travel or for spring break if it gets a little bit cooler in the mornings or the evenings. Leather is hotter than ever. Yes, all of the materials, satin, lace, leather, silk, I don't know, suede. Suede was really popular in the wintertime, however, suede is still trending. I love this black faux leather jacket. This is something that I've been eyeing up for quite some time and I just haven't been able to find the right one. I love that this is longer in length and then you can also tie off the waist. So this is perfect for everyday wear, but I love it particularly for date nights or if you're getting dressed up and you just want to add a little bit element of warmth and chicness to your outfit. By the way, almost all of these pieces do come in a lot of different color variations, so if you don't like the color that I've shown you, chances are there is an alternative option available on Amazon. A great army green jacket, very utilitarian style as well. I love this here at the waist. You can cinch it so you can make it more of a crop jacket if you will, but you can leave it completely open and loose. This one has buttons, it has pockets on the front. This is also very lightweight, easy to throw over, just something super simple like a gray t-shirt. Gray is really hot also this spring. A white or a black or a beige or a khaki or anything sort of patterned or stripes. Stripes would look really nice underneath this. You could dress this up, you could dress this down. I'm thinking this would look super chic with like a faux leather skirt or faux leather pants, but even just a nice pair of blue jeans. And last jacket in our jacket spring category, this black one. I love this. This is going to pair really nicely with a spring dress. I'm going to show you here in just a minute, but super chic. Again, this one ties down at the waist if you wanted to cinch it in a little bit more. It has the pockets here up top. This also has sort of a mock neck on it, so it's different than all the others that I've shown you. This is also super lightweight. This black color here is super versatile. Again, pair it with a t-shirt, dress it up, dress it down. A nice pair of white sneakers would also look really great with this. Moving into our romantic spring knit tops category. Spring is all about frills and lace and eyelets and puffs and poofs and all the fun elements. Girly chic is what I like to call it. I have 8 tops for you in this category. There are so many good ones to choose from. Orange and this pink color are hotter than ever this spring. I love the V-neck detail right here. This also just fits so nice. It's effortless chic in my opinion. You can pair this with blue jeans. This would be a great top that could go for your day look if you're running errands or you're in the office, and it can transition nicely into an evening look depending upon the accessories that you pair it with. Maybe a kitten heel, a cute purse, a really nice white flowy skirt, or a white linen pant would look really great with this. I didn't have anything purple in my closet, so I opted for this. Spring is all about bold colors, and this right here fits the category in my book. Beautiful eyelet detail. I love the puff sleeves. It also has the puff neck. This is very airy and lightweight, but if it is a little bit cooler where you live in the springtime, you could pair it with a white t-shirt just like this one underneath. So this will transition very nicely depending upon where you live. Super flowy, super effortless. I would pair this with a nice light white pant. I think would look really great, but again, a nice pair of blue jeans does the trick. This is probably one of my favorite sweaters, this high-end look for less. I love the larger cuffs on it, the crop nature of this cardigan. You can leave it completely buttoned up and this could be your ensemble, or you could leave it open and you want to put something underneath like a lace top would look very beautiful. I'm going to show you one here in just a second that would pair very nicely with this. This is another great day to night look depending upon what you pair it with. So if you're in the office and you're doing meetings, I would leave it a little buttoned up or maybe a white sort of t-shirt underneath. You could even do a white collared shirt, which would look really nice. And then if you're transitioning this to an evening look, I maybe would do a little bit of a lace detail because lace is also super hot right now and I'm here for it. Sticking with our romantic knit category, this gorgeous knit right here. This is super soft, very luxurious feeling. It sort of feels like cashmere without the cashmere price tag. I love the cuffs on this. Very fun, very girly. I love all the frills, just so soft. This top right here makes getting ready so easy because all you need to do is pair this with dress pants if you're going into an office and you need business casual, or if you want to transition this into a date night look, you could leave this open, pair it with a nice satin skirt. Oh, that would be super cute. A nice pair of kitten heels or even a ballet flat. This one right here, this is totally giving me resort vibes. I love the white color on this. The sleeves are wonderful, so if you want a little bit more coverage on the sleeve area, I love that. The V-neck is awesome, so you could pair it with some nice jewelry if you wanted to really highlight that. This would look awesome with a black pair of pants, some black jeans, even some blue jeans, which I'm showing you here, but you could even dress this up with a beautiful skirt. This top, oh my word, this baby doll top with the, I would say, oversized puff sleeves, meaning they're a little bit larger than the other ones that I've shown you. This floral print on here is also super beautiful. Ruffles here on the neckline. It drops down to a V-neck, so again, you can showcase some of your favorite jewelry should you want to. Now you could tuck this in if you wanted a bit more of a refined look, but I also think it looks really nice, just flowy, airy, and effortless. Since lace is very hot right now, I wanted to bring you this top right here. This is so soft. The rib detail on here, I didn't realize how soft it was until I've been wearing it and trying it on. I love just the subtle lace detail right here. This in and of itself, paired with black pants, some blue jeans, looks so beautiful. A nice belt, and then you could wear a nice ballet flat or a kitten heel, and then if it gets a little bit cooler, just a nice spring coat. I showed a ton in last week's video, so I'll be sure to link that video in the description box below, but also some of the ones that I showed here, such as that black one would look really nice, or even the faux leather jacket. Something else very hot right now are satin wrapped blouses. I'm on the like to know it at, so I get to see the things that are most searched for, most trending. Last week I showed you some alternative options when it comes to these satin wrapped blouses, but today I'm showing you one here that is sleeveless if it's a little bit warmer, or maybe you wanted to pair this with a nice blazer. Black blazer would look so beautiful with this. I love the wrap detail because you can really play around with how you tie it, how you cinch it, how tight you want it, how loose you want it. This looks wonderful with some dark denim blue jeans. Even some crop pants would be really beautiful with this. So soft, so luxurious. Last top in our romantic category here, it's this black lace tank top. This is gonna go with so many different things, so I wanted to bring you this as a basic. This in and of itself looks so beautiful. You could leave it completely flowing, you could leave it open, you could wear this on a date night with a nice pair of an ankle jean would look really beautiful, or a flare leg or wide leg jean, cute black belt, and some really sassy black kitten heels would look really nice with this, and then even a nice black blazer over top. Even, I don't know, maybe a white blazer would also look really beautiful. Possibilities are endless with this. This is an excellent base layer, but also super beautiful in and of itself. Let's move into one of my favorite categories, which is the athleisure travel category, because when you travel, you want to be comfortable and you want to be warm, and depending upon where you are staying on your spring break or travel adventures this spring, you might want to bundle up a little bit in the morning and a little bit in the evening. I have 4 looks that I'm going to share with you that I would buy over and over again and tell all my friends and family about. In fact, I've done that for each of these pieces. Starting off with this gray one, this is a #1 bestseller. I got everything in a size small, if you're wondering here, and I'm 5'7" for reference. This 2-piece set is wonderful. It comes in a ton of different color options. It works great on my 5'7" frame, but you could also make it a little bit longer or shorter depending upon where you wear it on your waist. Very comfortable. This like live in it, soft. I also love that it's almost wrinkle resistant, so if you're doing a lot of sitting, if you're in an airport, in a plane, or in a vehicle, you're not gonna come out looking like you had slept in, like, I don't know, been rolling around for quite some time. But so very soft, high-end look for less. Love the color detail on this, so beautiful. Moving into another 2-piece set, similar but not quite. This is by the brand Pretty Garden, I believe. Let me double check that. Yes, it is. This is a size small. This comes in a lot of different color options. I love the fit on this. This is also almost nearly wrinkle resistant. I love that this is more of a zip up track jacket, so you could wear a t-shirt or a tank top underneath depending upon what you're doing for the rest of the day. This is also just going to fit so nicely into my everyday working mom repertoire when I'm running errands in the spring, when I'm going for a walk in the spring or a walk in the evening. I can easily throw this coat on. I can pair with the pants. I can mix and match. I can wear them individually should I want to. And I also just love this very beautiful sort of like a sage green color. It's very relaxing, very tranquil, and very spring to me. This next 2-piece set you've seen before on this channel because I purchased it in almost every color because because I love it so much. I love the mock neck detail on it. The piping, the white piping is so beautiful. I don't have it in this sort of beigey color, which I think feels very refined, very luxurious, but also at an affordable price point. I love the tie detail right here. Also the piping down the leg and the front split at the front, which is a little bit different than several of the tracksuits. This is a high-end look for less. I'm trying to remember, is it Spanx that came out with it? I think it might be Spanx. They came out with some tracksuits. A friend of mine was wearing them at dance the other day for our daughters, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Where'd you get it? And I swear she said Spanx. But when I think of Spanx, all I can think about are, well, Spanx. But I know they sell a ton of things since that. But I know they sell a ton of other things. But this right here, so good. No spring wardrobe is complete without a gorgeous oversized sweatshirt. And I love it in this gray version because, again, gray, very hot this spring. I love this funnel neck on here. You can make it into a funnel neck, but you could leave it completely open. This is so soft. There's also a sort of, I don't know, subtle waffle knit detail right here, which I think is really beautiful and chic. This is very comfortable, very soft. This is going to pair with so many different things. In fact, dun da da, these colorful koala leggings, which I've showed you in basically every single color because I purchased them in every color because they also come in the long version. They are the flare leg. My daughter had commented the other day, Mom, your butt looks so good in those. I was like, thanks, honey. So, you know, these are going to make your butt look real nice. There's no front seam on them. They come up nice and high. They're almost identical, if not better than Lululemon for a fraction of the price point. Let's move into some spring dresses that you can wear for Easter, for Mother's Day, transition into summer, all the weddings and festivities, but also great vacation wear. I have 5 gorgeous, beautiful, yet different dress options for you. This is a shorter length version of the dress. This feels very chic to me. You can wear this in so many different places. I love this sort of cream and black detail. The sleeves are very nice right here. Nice V-neck, so you can wear some jewelry with it that you want to showcase. A little cinch waist here tie. I love that it's very flowy, very airy. You could wear this with ballet flats or a sandal. Even a wedge would look really nice with this. If you wanted to dress this up for a date night, you could do, I would probably do like a black kitten heel. Would look very cute with this. And then this also would pair very nicely with either of the jackets that I showed you previously, probably the cropped version that's a little bit more lightweight, but just love this. This dress is probably my favorite, and my daughter will also attest to this. Just this beautiful off the shoulder, beautiful ruching right here. It hugs the body very nicely, yet there's also a lot of give and wiggle room in it. I didn't even need to wear a bra in this dress, which was really nice. I love the length on this. This is definitely going to be a date night dress for me this spring into the summer, and also something I'm going to bring with me on vacation. This is just, I can't say enough good things about just stunning. This next dress right here reminds me of a dreamsicle. You know those dreamsicle pops, those orange ones that are so delicious? I love the orange detail. Again, orange, hotter than ever this spring. It has a nice square neck detail with spaghetti straps. The eyelet, I also did not need to wear a bra under this one, which is really nice. You can adjust the straps. It's very flexible here in the back, very flowy. I think it just hugs you in all the right places. It fits nicely. This is a great spring dress, summer dress, even a resort dress. You could pair this with sneakers as well if you want more of an athleisure vibe, and then dress it up should you want to. This next dress is a high-end look for less. Someone that I follow on Instagram had a very similar version that was, I don't know, maybe $1,500. It's like, oh no, honey, I can find that on Amazon. Almost identical quality. I mean, you wouldn't even know. I love this gorgeous blue color and the floral print, the floral detail. Florals are also very, very on trend this spring. The off the shoulder is so nice. Again, this one I also did not need to wear with a bra, so it's totally going to depend upon you and your frame and your chest size, but just telling you what worked for me. And anytime I don't have to wear a bra with something, I am so happy, especially if it's a little bit warmer. I just want to be comfortable. I love that this is loose enough, yet hugs all the right places. Very elegant, so chic. A sportier dress. This is like anytime, any place, put me in one of these and I am in my comfort zone. Pair this with some tennies. You could even do a ballet flat with this. I love the back. It is so pretty, just nice detail. This fits so nice. It has the built-in shorts. It also has a built-in bra, which is really nice. This is one and done for you. And this black and white contrast is very chic. I think anytime you wear this color combination, you automatically look a little bit more put together just because this color combination is so elegant. elevated. Just loving this. Now let's move into our cover up category for the beach, for spring break, for summer. I have 3 different options for you, very different, and then we're gonna move into some spring shoes. I showed something in last week's video very similar to this one. However, this is shorter. I love I think these are papayas on here, maybe. I'm not really sure. This fabric feels so nice on the skin. I love that this feels effortless. You can pair this with a lot of different types of bathing suits. Nice cinched waist right here. This just screams like I am somewhere nice, tropical, and warm, and I am living my best life. This next 2-piece cover up will go with literally anything. I love that the skirt is longer. I also love this color. So gorgeous, yet very airy, covering you up. Then we have here this collared top. It's also a crop top. You can button it, you can leave it completely open. This will go with basically any swimming suit. This feels very elegant, very chic, very classy. I also love the sleeve detail on here, so you can give yourself a little bit more coverage. Maybe you got a little bit sunburned, maybe you want to be a little bit more covered up. You're going to lunch after you're hanging out at the pool on your spring break trip, and you just want to be, less exposed during lunch, depending upon where you're staying. I know etiquette is a little bit different, but this, yes. Moving into this black and white combination. I love these crocheted shorts. There's also a tie waist here, very flowy, very effortless. It also comes with this beautiful top here that also has the collar. I love this collar detail right here because, again, if you're at the pool and then you want to go to lunch and you want to be a little bit more covered up, I think this is wonderful. This piece could be in and of itself its own outfit. So if you wanted to do some, I don't know, shopping, or you have some sightseeing to do, or maybe just roaming around the resort, this could be the look. And you could pair this with something nude underneath and it would fly for its very own outfit. Pair it with some nice white sneakers, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. And then you're also ready for the beach or the pool, the ocean. I have 2 very comfortable flats that are totally on trend this spring, and also some tennis shoes for you, or athleisure shoes, if you will. These gorgeous, we'll call them leopard print ballet flats. I love the bow right here. This mesh, very on trend right now. I also love this studded buckle belt, if you will. So cute. It's combined all the beautiful elements that are very hot this spring. The romantic bow, the mesh detail, but also a contrast here with this buckle. This is going to go with so many beautiful things. I'm between a 7.5 and an 8, and I opted for a size 8, and they are perfect. These shoes, so hot right now. Pointed toe mules. However, what's nice about these mules, it's a slingback mule. It's just, slightly little bit of heel on there. This beautiful gold buckle. This right here just screams elegance to me. You can pair this with so many different things. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. It is a comfortable mule. These white tennies, yes, yes, yes. We have the mesh detail right here, so very breathable. These are gonna go with literally everything. I'm probably gonna be living in these this spring, this summer, bringing them with me on spring break. Very comfortable. These are the size 8, so there you go when it comes to sizing. If you are also someone that's in between sizes, I believe these do come in a variety of different colors, but I just was ready for just something nice and white and bright. Dun da da! These shoes, very, very comfortable. I love the little leopard detail right here. I first saw these on Instagram from somebody that gets millions of views on their reels, and she had these paired with a really cute athleisure set, and I thought, I have got to have those tennis shoes. I love the black and the white, the little leopard detail right here, and the fact that they are very comfortable is bonus points. This style is very similar to the New Balance tennies. In fact, they feel almost identical to the New Balance tennies, but for a fraction of the cost. Let me know your favorite wearable spring piece in that comments box below. Remember, everything's gonna be linked in the description box below. I recommend you click that master list, and I also pin it in the comments section. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.